Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. It's 1:47 a.m. and 2 o'clock. We have pound red news and we have yellow news of yen, right? So yellow news not much, it doesn't make any difference. But when it comes to yen, yes, you have to be careful, right? So what I'm thinking is that yen index probably going to get weaker. Yen is going to get weaker, and all yen pair going to go to the upside. All right. So when I looked at the 40-minute chart, for example, this one, pound yen 40-minute chart, pull the fib from here to here. So the first pullback is exactly touching 78%, then coming back and exactly touching 38% and going to the upside. And when beyond this, then definitely this thing is going for, not definitely, but according to this, previous pattern rules, it will go for a butterfly completion for a butterfly pattern around 127, which is 201.50. Right. So this is what I'm expecting. And I also already have a long entry from here. This dip a little bit on a 20-minute entry, and I'm 70 pip up. So I'm going to take my chances and hold on to this long until we get to this area, hopefully, right? The second chart that I want to show immediately here is the UJ. UJ is also doing the same thing, but a little bit tricky. Pull the fib from here to here. This is a 40-minute chart, by the way. So you see that it went up to 61%, not 78, 61%. Then came down to 23% line, which is my gold mine, right? Golden line. And then it goes up again to finish the Gertley pattern at 78%, like this one, right? But as you can see here, that if I'm expecting yen is going to get weaker, then it's not going to drop. It's going to go up. And as it is, USD is strong because of the NFP on Friday. So this thing can go up, and it already bounced and it went above 78%. Now, when that happened, I called it in my book. It is a bearish Gertley, but a failed one. It is going to be failed Gertley pattern. Failed means that it's not working out or executing the way it's supposed to do, right? So it is going to go up, and when that happens, it goes for extension levels. Two of those extension levels, one by one. First, 127, and if it breaks that and go even higher to this next extension level, which is 161, then it will be finishing a crab pattern. That's what we call, right? So these are the two extension levels. And first, it is very important to see that it is already a failed Gertley. It's going to the upside. Let's go take a look at the live chart. What the heck is that? Okay, here. See, this one is, right? So this is the one that I saved, and then I post that little chart there, right? Diagram for a reference. So this is what it is, right? So it already above the 78%, and very, very good chance that we're gonna fly to the upside. I also have this a 7-minute long entry, not too much. I mean, 25, 30 pip, but yes, it is positive, sitting on a break even, and see what happens. Now, Euro Yen also doing the same thing, but little bit different. You have to see, it's like they're doing the same thing, but different manner, different style, right? So instead of this one, if I pull the fib from here to here, you can see that this never touched 61%. It only touched 50%. Then it went up to, instead of 23% line, it went all the way to 11.4%. That's fine, because it's 50, then it can go to the upside, right? More. Then it came down exactly to what? 78%, or it almost touching 88%. Now, 50 to 88 is a bad pattern, right? Another pattern that's a bullish pattern right now here in front of us, and then start to play out. So it's going to the upside, and if yen gets weaker, then guess what? It's going to go all the way up there. And if you pull the extension, it will go for extension somewhere there, right? But first thing first, first target would be 69.96, and then this one, and then so on and so forth. But let's see after the news. Right now it's 152. Let's let the game begin and then see what happened, right? If I'm right, and if I can get, I don't have an entry on Euro Yen right now, but I'm planning to get one fast. I have Aussie Yen long, I have USD Yen long, and I have Pound Yen pretty good long. So 70 pip positive already. Entry was yesterday, by the way. Right. So let's see what happened. Right. So I'm gonna go and record this. I'm not record this. Convert the video and then post on the Telegram as quickly as possible, so that you guys can take advantage. I post the message already that all yen. I'm expecting all yen pair to go to the upside, right? So let's see what happens. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.